You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of this American businessman, former CEO of Starbucks. Yes, his name is a bit confusing, but we get to the bottom of this. Howard. Alright, so not Howard, Howard Schultz. So it's not Schultz, it's Schultz. So yes, you've got it, you've heard this correctly, and you're going to remember it, right? Howard Schultz. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.